Wig Sisters, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this video is going to be debuted first in our Moon Kitty mix-up group, so it will be an unlisted video on YouTube until I give them an opportunity to get their pre-orders in, and then we will open it up to the public on YouTube. So if you're like, hey, are you giving preferential treatment to your fans? Yes, absolutely. There's no shame in that game, hun. I'm absolutely giving preferential treatment to the people who support me and my store the most. So with that being said, we're also opening up a Patreon. So go there if you want to see more details about it, but we tried to make it affordable. There are multiple tiers so you can support us. And I tell you specifically what I plan to do with that money, because we want to do more experimental kind of like Mad Science, Bill Nye Science Guy type stuff with the hair that I can't afford to do because I can't really afford to ruin a whole bunch of really expensive wigs. But I'd be stoked to do that for a living. So speaking of which, let me tell you a little bit about this particular piece that I'm super excited about. This beauty is our Phoenix. And I'm really upfront about the fact that this was inspired by a conversation I had with the owner of BelleTress about similar styles, namely the Page by Henry Margaux, Jones by Estetica, and Hunter by Estetica. And Page, Hunter, and Jones are all essentially the same wig. They look very similar. Jones just has shorter layering. And this wig is meant to approximate something like that, but it looks more like the product pictures for Jones than Jones does in real life. And what I wanted to do was give people a slightly more upscale alternative that corrects some of the critiques I have of those three styles. Now, before I get into that, I want to just say for the record, and I mentioned this in the product listing for Phoenix, I like all three of those styles. And if you're on a budget and you can't afford something that's got a lace front or a monofilament side part like our Phoenix here, they make great alternatives. So if you like this style, please check those out at our store. I'll put links to those there. So this is no diss video. I like those wigs. I just think there was a need for something that I would want to wear, which is something that has a little bit more versatility, realism, and frankly more monofilament features. I tend to like more high-end wigs. I've seen enough hair at this point in my career where I really just want something I can throw on without any makeup, put a t-shirt on, run out the door. Oh, you can dress this one up or down. And I'm not wearing any makeup in this video. I did not dress up to show you what this one looked like because the whole point was that you wouldn't have to. There's virtue in being easy. The lace front goes from temple to temple, and she does have a really luscious, generous left-hand monofilament side part. The hair feels great. I made this intentionally in 5 of the most popular BelleTress colors. So these are not my original colors. They're not new colors. They're literally the 5 best-selling colors from the BelleTress line in our store as of 2019. This is Honey with Chai Latte. It is a heat-friendly wig. That was intentional. I mean, the name Phoenix kind of implies there's a little bit of heat involved, right? Well, that was deliberate because if you wanted this to be curlier, curl it. If you want this to be straighter, straighten it. You know, if you like it the way it is, cool. But if, at any rate, we wanted to give you that versatility. Versatility was a huge part of this design. Speaking of which, you see this bang that I keep sweeping off to the side and how it kind of stays swept off to the side? That's because this is a heat-friendly fiber. Heat-friendly fiber is really best on short styles like this. I mean, this is about as long as I would want a heat-friendly wig to be for personal wear. And the great thing about that is that bang will stay off to the side without you having to put any product in it. No product at all. It just kind of stays there because heat-friendly fibers want to clump, which looks great on a wig that's meant to be intentionally PC and intentionally kind of boho, sloppy chic looking, like this Phoenix. Now, the bang is 4 inches and it's feather light. One of the other big criticisms that I had of those other styles that inspired Phoenix was that the bangs, because, you know, in all fairness, they're permatease styles. Even Hunter only has a monofilament crown. So the bangs start way up here and they're really, really thick and they go all the way down. Whereas Phoenix's bangs are literally just here in the front and they can be worn down like this It's a really great length for that. Or, like I was doing earlier, you can sweep it off to the side. If you want to go full-on 90s realness, you can actually use a blow dryer to kind of, you know, get these to stick up a little bit more. Get that kind of Jennifer bang from like the late 80s, early 90s if you want. But yeah, I'm in love with this style and I could not wait to show her off. So let me show you what the cap construction looks like. It's very similar to what you'll get on Kona by BelleTress. So lace front, monofilament side part, high-end felt finishes all the way around. The permatease is incredibly light on this wig, and that is because we didn't want it to be big and poofy. We wanted it to be as realistic and easy to wear, light density as possible. So very stretchy wig, and I did that on purpose, and I'll explain that in a moment. Felt here on the ear tabs, a little bit of metal, open wefts on the side and the back so it breathes. We also have generous felt here at the extended nape. I wanted this wig to fit anywhere from petite average to average large, so this will accommodate most people really well, even if you're in a slightly larger cap size like me. This is really easy to wear, very comfortable on, adjusts very well back here, and the ear tabs don't come down too low. I wanted to be really, really picky about the ear tabs because on people who have slightly smaller heads, the ear tabs kind of, you know, drown them out. And on people who have really big heads, the ear tabs can sometimes be all the way up here. This will sit right around here on me, which is only ever so slightly shallow, but still good coverage for somebody with an average large head. It makes your glasses really easy to wear. But likewise, if you've got a smaller head, it'll give you coverage all the way down to here without covering up your ear, which is really, really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, shake her up a little bit, show you what she looks like fluffy. Doesn't really take much to make this one work. I love this style. I love how she turned out. I mean, I'm very curious to know what you guys think, but I think she's pretty phenomenal. And the fact that she looks so cute with just a t-shirt and no makeup, just some moisturizer on. I've got my glasses on. This is full weekend realness. Sunday afternoon, cleaning the house realness. Like I could go to the grocery store with this on, or if I wanted to, you know, wear makeup, put a curl in this, I could. And so I hope that you will love this as much as I do. Love the layering, love the length, love the texture, love the colors, love the bang, love the light density, the profile. I'm super, super excited to know what you guys think. So make sure you let us know in the comments. If you like this kind of content, make sure you check out our Patreon because that enables us to make more videos in more in-depth situations than just, hey, here's the wig, this is how it's made, bye-bye, which is what a lot of these videos end up being because I'm very time constrained and we don't have a lot of money to throw at making content yet. That's a magic word, yet. I have faith in my fans. I know that they're amazing, and I know that if I give them real value for the money that we're asking for, that they will be really, really, really eager to help us out. This is the kind of stuff that we're doing with the money you spend on custom products in our store. We use it to make more custom products. And likewise, if you like Phoenix and we sell a lot of her, we will make more of her. And we will make her in more colors. And we'll make her in some of our custom colors. And we'll make her in different lengths and cap construction. I mean, I'm willing to go wherever you guys want to take me with this. But it just depends on what you guys buy. And until then, I will just keep casting a wide net and figuring out what your preferences are. I am listening specifically to the voices of the people who are fans of our store and frankly, who help pay our bills. You know, you guys are our fans, you are our lifeblood, and you are the reason why we still continue to do this 8 years after we started. So thank you for being there for us. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more content in the future. Bye-bye.